going on, everybody? So I'm down here at 5 Bar, and we got the 2019 Mustang GT out in the parking lot. Now the car still runs. The owner is working out the details as to what motor he's going to put in it and how he's going to go about fixing this car. But I just wanted to throw out this quick video because we're able to start the car, and I could show you the symptoms of what's wrong with this car. Like I said before, this is not something that I'm happy to report because this car belongs to a friend of mine, but let me show you this while I have the chance. So we're getting that smoke only out of the right side, and the engine's also making some noise. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it's pretty pronounced. You guys hear that knock? Well, there it is, guys. You could clearly see a big puff of smoke coming out of the passenger side, exhaust pipe. And the noise is very pronounced under the hood. It's got some kind of a rod knock or something like that. Internally, there's some major damage inside this motor. So this is a car that we're going to build up here at 5 Bar Motorsports. Very, very much like my problem when I had to buy, a replacement engine for my car, because I had a Whipple on my 2018 Mustang. My engine went south, and pretty much the same thing happened to this one. So it really is too bad. I don't like to be the bringer of bad news. Not everybody is having this problem, but from time to time, this is what we see. So follow the build. I'll have a lot more on this car going down the road. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next one. All right, everybody, meet my neighbors. 2 sandhill cranes walking in front of the house, just strolling along. Nobody bothers them. This is hysterical. Look at them. Unbelievable. Here's my Gen 2. Pretty nice looking car. See you later, guys.